All right, well, earlier, like I know that I need to lap the valves in because it is blowing back out through the carburetor, but earlier when it quit, it was just out of gas because I didn't think to check that. And the other ET engines, because they're all hit and miss, they run easily for half an hour, 45 minutes, almost an hour on a tank of fuel. But because the ET8 here doesn't miss any of the firing, it goes through fuel a lot faster. So it only runs 10 or 15 minutes on a tank. Also, I am keeping this at absolute minimum, and it runs pretty darn quickly. I don't have an RPM, device or way to measure the RPM, but it runs at least as fast, if not faster, than the ETX. And I have briefly opened it like halfway on the here, and I am certain that if I opened it all the way, it would definitely overspeed and lock up. So we'll see if we can let this run for a little bit longer and try to time it again.